Hi guys, it's your girl Nisa Bisa and I'm back here again with another YouTube video. And today, I am going to be doing a Q&A video so that you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Because I know that I have posted like about 6 or 7 videos on my channel already. And y'all probably like, who is she? Like we know she do hair videos and stuff, but we don't know her. So I was like, okay, today I'm finally going to do a Q&A, and this video was kind of very requested because y'all want to get to know me. Y'all want to know who I am behind the hair tutorials and like get to really know me. So I have some questions. I was going to do this on my phone, but my phone had died and it's charging. So before it died, I wrote down the questions on this little cute notepad right here. And I'm just going to I have some food down that I was eating, but I'm kind of full now, so I don't know if I'm still going to be eating while doing this, but I also have my drink here. So let's just get straight into the video. Enough of me talking, but if you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Subscribe. It's free to do and it's right there. It's right there. Subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and turn that post notification bell on so that you never miss a video. And yeah. So the first question to this Q&A, get to know me, is when is my birthday? My birthday is actually coming up. My birthday is August 6th. I am a Leo, and yeah, my birthday is coming up very soon. And when my birthday does come, I'm going to be doing a birthday vlog, and I'm also going to be doing a get ready with me for my birthday and preparing for my birthday and stuff like that. So if y'all want to see those videos, stay tuned because they will be coming very soon. August is just a month away. The next question is, do I have siblings? Yes, I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Yeah. The next question is, what made me start YouTube? What made me want to start a YouTube channel? So what made me want to start a YouTube channel is basically when I was younger, like I always wanted to do YouTube for such a long time. But the thing is, I wanted to like there's never going to be a right time. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube, start it because I'm telling you, there's never going to be a right time. But at the end of the day, I been wanted to start one, but I just kept procrastinating. And I was like, I'll do it. I finally started one and I was like, yeah, I wish I would have started sooner, but I was still in school and I didn't know how I was gonna balance both. But we'll worry about that later. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Y'all motivate me to keep pushing out content, and yeah. Like I used to always record myself, like just doing anything. I used to record myself cooking. I used to record myself doing my hair. I used to record myself everywhere I go. If I was going to the mall, if I was going to the store real quick, the Wawa, the gas station. If I was going anywhere, I was recording myself, blogging, and then not doing anything with those videos because like I didn't have a YouTube channel. I was just doing that for fun. And I felt like now, why not? Why not? Why not just start the channel and get started? And yeah, so that's what made me start a YouTube channel. The next question is, what is my favorite color? My favorite color personally is purple. I love the color purple since I was like about 5. I just think it's a really pretty color. It's like a royal color. It's like really cute to me. And yeah. I like the shade of purple. Like I like this lavender color purple. Like yeah. Um, what are my hobbies? My hobbies are Well, something that I really like to do is baking. I like to bake pastries and stuff like that. And I also like to cook. So that's like some of my hobbies. And another hobby that I have is dancing. I love to dance. I love to, like, I used to go to dance classes and stuff like that. I was on dance teams and programs and stuff like that. And I really enjoy it. Like, I really enjoy dancing and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's something that y'all guys did not know about me. And now y'all know. Um, what is the meaning, but I can't even talk. What is the meaning behind my YouTube name? So, as you guys may or may not know, my name down below is Nisa Bisa. That is the name of my channel, and I'm gonna tell you guys because a lot of people were wondering why did I make that my YouTube name, and I'm gonna tell you guys that now. The reason that I made that my name or decided to make that my name is because of the fact that, for one, Nisa, my nickname is Nisa, and a lot of people call me Nisa. It's only one letter away from my real name, so I really don't care because a lot of people call me that. Um, as my real name is Anissa, by the way, if y'all didn't know that, no, you did. Um, and then Bisa, the part Bisa came from my grandmother because when I was about 3, 4, or 5, one of those numbers, she used to call me Nisa Bisa like all the time. Like, she was like Nisa Bisa, Nisa Bisa, Nisa Bisa, Nisa Bisa. And I also have 2 friends that I met this year who like are really close friends of mine that call me Nisa Bisa as well. So yeah, that's where that name came from, and I decided to use it for my YouTube channel. I felt like it was a unique name, not something that most people hear, not something that most people have heard before. So I said, why not? And that's the origin behind my YouTube name. The next question is, what is my favorite food? My favorite food is shrimp Alfredo or chicken Alfredo. Any one of those. I actually have 2 favorite foods. That's my first favorite food. And then my second favorite food is tacos, homemade tacos. Not like no Taco Bell tacos or anything, homemade, freshly cooked tacos that I make at home. And I just like that. That's my favorite foods. And I'm sorry if my voice is getting a little, like, weird, I should say. It's because it's like late, I should say. It's like really late and I'm starting to get a little tired. So that's why my voice sounds the way it is right now. Like, as y'all can see, it's starting to go down. um my next question is, how tall are you, or what is your height? So I'm not gonna say I'm short, but I'm not tall either. So like I would say I'm about, if I had to estimate, I'm about in the middle of 5'3". I'm not 5'3". I have to be like from 5. I'm either 5'4" or 5'5". Yeah, I'm either 5'4" or 5'5", because I'm not that short, but I'm not that tall either. So yeah, either one of those. um, do I prefer the summer or the winter? To be honest, I prefer the summertime because winter is cool and all, but like I like the summer because my birthday's in the summer. You can have pool parties, you can go to the pool, you can go swimming. It's nice weather. Well, not all the time because it was thunderstorm raining today. But still, um, yeah, yeah, I like summer. I prefer the summer. Um, what's my favorite TV show? My favorite show is, well, my favorite show on Netflix is Black Lightning, and you know that show Black? It's like hashtag Black AF. I like that show. It's nice. I like it. Another show. No, we done talking about shows. We done talking about shows. Um. Oh, y'all! If y'all want to see a I keep going off topic. Like, what am I doing? But if y'all want to see a what shows to watch on Netflix video. I watch Netflix 24/7. So if y'all want to see some Netflix video suggestions, comment down below because I will definitely make a video on that if you want to see that. My favorite restaurant? What is my favorite restaurant? I don't really have a favorite restaurant, to be honest. I like Red Lobster a little bit. I like Red Lobster a little bit. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. But yeah. Um do I play any sports? Yes, I actually do. I play two sports. I'm not gonna tell you what those sports are, but let's just say I play two sports. Figure it out in the comments. I know it's supposed to be a Q&A. I'm supposed to be telling y'all, but gotta keep a little mystery. Gotta keep it a little mystery. All right, you guys, you made it to the end of this video, and that's all the questions. If y'all do want a part 2, send more questions and I will definitely do that for you guys. If y'all want any video suggestions that y'all have, I will try my best to make those videos. Just leave your suggestion in the comment section. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe right now. But yeah, turn that post notification bell on so that you never miss a video. And yeah, leave a big thumbs up on this video if you liked what you've seen in this video, getting to know me and stuff like that. I try my best to answer all the questions. And yeah, I do have some more questions, but if y'all want a part 2, tell me in the comment section below. But yeah, that's it for this video.